That what she like.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Vacation Nation, where every day is a vacation. Guys, this is day 2 of us being in Tobago. You saw what we did in day 1. Today we are going to the Nylon pool. The kids don't know much about it. This is their first time, and this is my not first time, second time, but I haven't been in years, and a lot of things change. So come go with us. Bye guys. So we're in the car.
Oh yeah, you're using not your phone this time.
Yeah. Say hi, Jia.
Hi.
JV, you have your shades? The shades crew. Alright guys, so we are heading there and we're off. Right, so guys, we are at Buccoo Lagoon wetland to collect the tour. I did it with Frankie's stores. It cost $300 for the 3 of us, so that's $150 for me, $75 each for the kids. I believe you could get it cheaper, but I really wasn't in the mood to look around and hunt around and search around. I'm sure if I go Pigeon Point it would have been a little cheaper, but anyway, I digress. When you see you just want something easy peasy, yeah. So we here. Oh god, it's raining a little bit. It's been raining this morning, so I'm hoping that it can clear up. Yeah. So that's the vibe. Gia here. JV here.
We better get out of the car.
Nope.
I'm ready to go.
Look at him. So that's fun.
What is that swamp? A swamp is a kind of ocean kind of way?
No. Do some research on it and I'll go and tell you.
Oh.
Them small still. No SCA yet. Next year for he. Yeah.
You can check where we are. Water shoes $20.
Oh man.
You can go in the water with it.
Yeah, you're early.
Oh my god, that's
Hey, get your head back inside of there.
I'm going back downstairs. Wow.
JV, what do you think? Gia, what do you think?
This is 10 out of 10.
And we ain't even going nowhere yet.
Yeah, but
We finally on. Baby, JV.
Which girl can do? If you wanna get Sunday dinner, I want name. What girl let me there?
Big body, what's up? I got some that you can. Cash me, cash money, I'm to go. Push some more, every night I go.
Say she only got one life. Can't stay on the job site. They gonna marry for a lifetime, not for life. Like what to go, Feel like it in my head. And anytime they want to come.
Are those the brown things in the water? Mommy, are those the brown things in the water?
Yeah, that is your reef valley.
That is the barrier of the reef. If you were to take this boat, any other boat, go up to the barrier, most places would only be like 2 feet of water also, right? Very shallow water. If you look underneath the boat now, you see me only looking at about 10 feet of water also. But if you want to go back to that barrier, jump over the very first wave, very quickly you find yourself in 80 to 100 feet of water, right? So now you guys have a nice holistic understanding that on this side of the barrier, I would like to get as little competition as possible, right? So, what's on this side of the barrier, right? You're generally shallow water. What's on the other side of the barrier, you have deeper water. And so that's important for people have reasons. Reason number one, fishes in the second, third, and fourth year of their life, they like to come here where they can hide between the corals. So it serves as a kind of nursery, right? And the reason why you have the corals here is because these corals, a lot of people, they look at them, they say, oh, those must be stones. Other people, they look at them and say, oh, they must be plants. Those that look like plants. If you think they're stones or plants, they're not creating both cases. They are animals. These animals are maybe related to jellyfish, and they live in these large colonies.
Cause I know your heart is right. Just because I love the jungle. Keep the lights up, take care. But no, this lady, that's it, I got to see you. You said that all I need is control. That's a minute, okay, I know. If it attack me, yes, I will attack it. For sure, yeah, it might be. I will be there, girl. Tell me your kitty name, so I can test it. If I can't really have my life, it's so I can take it.
Yeah, we come out, we come out.
Tobago lobster.
How much is the lobster?
Lobster is 150 or 200.
Let me get one for 200 now. What's in the line?